Hi all, my name is Megha and I'm gonna be your sugar makeup expert for the day. For this video, I will be showing you some cool tips and tricks to make your eyes look bigger. I'll be doing the makeup on this eye so that you can see the difference by yourself. So the first thing you want gone are your dark circles. These are the #1 enemy of big beautiful eyes. Today I'm using the Aceface foundation stick in the shade number 20 Galau, a light medium shade with gold undertones. It works double or even triple duty on darkness and discoloration. Groomed arched eyebrows work wonders to frame the shape of your eyes. I am using the Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade number 02 Taupe Tom to fill in. This is a flattering grey-brown shade that works on most people. Once filled in, brush the eyebrows up and over them. This is key, ladies. Neutral eyeshadows work great to contour the shape of your eyelid to make them look bigger. I am using the shade Medium Brown. Sweep it in an arc shape from the outer corners all the way to the center of the eyes. A very good tip is to stay close to shimmers in the center of the eyelid to make them look bigger and brighter. Skip applying kohl to the low waterline as it can give your eyes a more shrunken look. Placing shimmer here catches the light and gives your eyes a wider look. See? Use this 5-minute routine whenever you're going for a bright and beautiful doe-eyed look. Let us know what you think in the comments below. The products used in this video are tagged below if you need more information. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel. Bye!